Welcome to Virtualize Everything, where we strive to inform and educate the viewer about technology and technology-related topics. Today's video presentation is going to be about how to set up and use the Spice streaming feature for remote desktop. So the first thing you're going to need to do after you configure your VM to use Spice, which I have shown you how to do in a previous video, is to select your option menu for your VM, and then you're going to go down to the Spice Enhancements tab, select that. After selecting Spice Enhancements, you'd click Edit, and you're going to get this screen here. Now, you see the feature that says video streaming. There's two other options other than off. You're going to default to off. Let's look at what these two options do. So here is a copy of Proxmox's instruction manual where they explain that all is a fast refreshing area will be encoded to a video stream. So what this means is that any part of your screen that is refreshing fast will be encoded into a video stream instead of sent in the traditional manner. Now, additional filters are used to decide if the video streaming should be used. So what this means is there's some extra language or set of directions and rules that is used to decide whether or not it's going to encode your screen into a video stream. As you can assume, since we're encoding this to a video stream, there is a slight hardware loss and a little more latency, but this can greatly decrease the bandwidth you use and the response times of what you're doing. So this feature is highly recommended in remote situations. So after you select your option or choose which option you want, in my case I chose all, you'll just go ahead and click OK here, and you'll be ready to start your VM and set up your stream. Let's take a look at the stream going with a couple of different demo operations so you can see what the performance looks like. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to stream a video or do something that would really demonstrate how much terror anything you had due to my current situation of being at my remote residence. But I hope this tutorial demonstrates well enough that how the performance will look for this feature. If you notice, I am using Linux here. Now, in my experience, although you can use Windows for VirtViewer, Linux is the best time to use Spice for viewing. So we've logged into Kali pretty well here. Now, I'm just dragging this bigger, no reason, it doesn't do much. So that's kind of a demo of what it would look like on the native operating system. Now we're working in the VM. As you can tell, I'm struggling a little bit here with my mouse with it overreacting, but I am working over 150 miles away from my server on a tethered connection at the moment. So I hope you enjoyed today's presentation about how to set up the streaming feature of Spice with a Linux system and your Proxmox virtualization operating system. If you liked today's video, found it helpful, or generally want to support Virtualize Everything in their endeavors to inform and educate you, the viewer, about technology and technology-related topics, primarily in Proxmox, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good night.